Hello guys and girls, once more I am Mr. B.S. Bhajani from Guwahati, India. I had received one packet from flipkart.com India. So this packet contains one Gopro Hero 5 Black camera. So let me open this box up for you. Yes, it's coming out. This is the GoPro action camera. So I had received it from flipkart.com. This is GoPro Hero 5 Black. So it costed me 22,949 in Indian currency, which is equivalent to $328. So let me open it further. Oh, I do not know how to open this. I have to be careful because it's a costly camera. Just trying. Shit. Okay, so this is the camera. So let me check what is come with this GoPro. This is the instruction manual. This is again one other, or this is some sticker, and this is the booklet. So these are the mounts. I think one is curved mount, one is flat mount, and this is, let me check, this is I think USB-C cable, and this is the battery. This is the camera quality. I think it's quite good. So I am going to fix it to my helmet. So for that also I am going to make another video, so please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.